have a look into the question. Here, this question under ratio, different amount of investment for different amount of period uh, in the business. Kavi started a business on January 1st of 2025 by investing 35,000 rupees. Ravi joined to the business on June 1st. Okay, that means Kavi is the person who is initiating the business. After several months, Ravi joined to the business by investing 120,000 rupees. End of the year, from the business, the company received the total profit 63,000. Okay, the question is clear. Find the ratio of their investment and duration in the business period. So in the previous explanation also, I will explain to you that as a person, you are investing a particular amount. That doesn't mean according to your investment only you are going to receive the profit. That doesn't matter. How long you are stayed in the business, that also matters. So in this case, while finding the ratio between Kavi and Ravi, K and R, you have to consider about the investment and the period of time they are in the business. When I think about Kavi started the business by investing 35,000 rupees. So 35,000, it should be multiplied with the duration. That is also a key factor. There are two key factors: duration and the investment. Investment is 35,000. She started the business on Jan 1st. So until end of the year, she was stayed in the business. So that means totally 12 months. She is in the business for 12 long months. So her investment multiplied with the duration. Likewise, we have to write for Ravi as well. Ravi invested 120,000 rupees, not 12,000, it is 120,000 times. He joined to the business on June 1st. So most of the students are doing totally there are 12 months. June means 6 months, no, 6th month. So 12 minus 6, 6. They will write it as 6. But it is incorrect. You have to count that manually. June 1st means, think about it. June, Ravi in the business for June, July, August, September, October, November, December. When you subtract that, that will give you total 6 months he is in the business. But he was joined to the business on June 1st. That means you have to take account of the June month as well. June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So Ravi is in the business for 7 long months, not only 6. Okay, you have to understand this one clearly. From total 12 months, you cannot subtract the June as a 6 month. 12 minus 6, 6. That is incorrect because he was joined to the business on June 1st. So you have to take account June month as well. So totally there are 7 months. Thereafter we need to multiply or else we can simplify to get the simplest ratio between them. So here I will simplify them by using 1000 first. Thereafter 35 times 12. So 35 times 12 it would be 350 and 70 420 is to 120 times 7 it is 840. Thereafter also we can further simplify this. 0 and 0 simplified, then we can divide it by using number 6. 7 sixes are 42 and 12 not 12, 14 sixes are this much, 84. It is not done yet. 7 and 14. Furthermore, we can simplify this. So 7 divided by 7, 1. 14 divided by 7, it would be 2. This is the overall final ratio of splittation between Kavi and Ravi by concerning their investment and duration they are in the business. Thereafter, find the amount of profit by Ravi and Kavi separately. So, Kavi and Ravi, we found the respective ratio. Then we need to find sum of terms in the ratio. sum of terms in the ratio. So 1 plus 2, it is 3. This 3 portion, that means the total profit is 63,000. Total profit became 63,000. So you need to find the multiplicand between 3 to 63,000. So when we multiply 3 by 21,000, you can divide to find, okay, 63,000 divided by 3, it will give you 21,000. So the multiplicand between them is 21,000. So it is important to write the sum of terms in the ratio because the total profit received by the company is 63,000. So you need to find for each of the investors separately. So 1 times of 21,000, that will give you Kavi's profit as 1 times of 21,000, it would be 21,000 rupees. Thereafter, the profit received by Ravi, it would be 2 times of 20,000. Okay, 2 times of 21,000, it will give you 42,000 rupees as the profit received by Ravi finally. That's all for the question. I'll repeat the question from the beginning once more. Kavi started the business on Jan 1st of 2025 by investing 35,000. So she was in the business for 12 long months. We multiplied her investment 35,000 into 12. Thereafter is to the Ravi. He was joined to the business on June 1st. That means he was in the business for 7 long months, not 6, 7. I explained you why there are 7 months there. Multiplied with the investment 121,000. Thereafter simplification, it is simple to find. You can get the simplest ratio between them, Kavi to Ravi, 1 is to 2. Then the total profit received by the whole company is 63,000. So find the sum of terms. This sum of terms, okay, sum of terms means total. Total profit is 63,000. You can find multiplicand by multiplying each of their respective ratio quantities with 21,000. We can find the profit received by Kavi 21,000, by Ravi it is 42,000 respectively. Let's have a look into it. Kanti invested rupees 10,000 and started the business on Jan 1st. After 2 months, Nalini joined the business by investing 12,000 rupees. Calculate the ratio in which profit should be divided at the end of the year. End of the year means there are totally 12 months. That is the total duration. So for Kanti and Nalini, Kanti invested 10,000 rupees for 12 months, started on January 1st until end of the year means there are 12 months in consideration. When we think about Nalini, she joined after 2 months. So from total 12 months, she lost 2 months. After 2 months only, she joined the business. So the time period she is on the business, that is 10 months. So her investment is 12,000, but she was in the business for just 10 months. Let's simplify them. First, it is some of you might struggle to simplify directly. First, we will multiply 10,000 into 12. It is 120,000 into 12,000 into 10. It is 120,000 again. You think about the zero count. You can simplify 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. Thereafter, you are having 12 is to 12. Both are 12 multiples. So when we divide them by using number 12, 12 divided by 12, it is also 12 divided by 12. Finally, the ratio between them is 1 is to 1. That is the simplest ratio between their profit splitation. Thereafter, let's come to the second question. The profit is 25,000 for the end of the year. Find the profit received by them separately. That is the question. Separately, we need to find the profits. So, Kanti and Nalini, it is 1 is to 1. Let's get the sum of terms in the ratio. It would be 1 plus 1, 2. This 2 portion, it is not 2 rupees or 2 lakhs or 2,000. It is just portion. This 2 portion is denoting the total. We know in amount the total is 25,000. So 2 portion is denoting 25,000. So 2 multiplied by 12,500. Likewise, you can multiply 1 times 12,500, that will give you Karthi will receive 12,500 rupees. And Nalini also, she is having the ratio of 1. 1 times of 12,500, she will receive